Are you an Independence, Missouri homeowner that needs garage door repair? Arrowhead Door Company is the answer to your garage door needs in Independence, Missouri. When your residential, commercial, or garage doors aren't functioning like they should, call Arrowhead Door at 816-373-8228. You're sure to get a great deal on any of our services, including competitive pricing on garage door installation, seasonal specials on garage door service, all done by the best garage door company in Independence, Missouri. Call now. We offer 24-hour emergency garage door service in Kansas City, Raytown, Independence, Gladstone, Liberty, Lee's Summit, Blue Springs and all over the Kansas City metro.